Howdy everyone, this is Grapevine with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best House Apartments. We're about to go in the 2-bedroom at the Ansel. This is the 2-bedroom model. Let's walk into it right now. It's just gorgeous. I think you're gonna love it. It's really, really pretty, so let's walk through it. Just a gorgeous apartment. It's really big, and it's just a delight. And we walk in, oh my goodness, look at this. It's just very, very pretty. Wow, a lot of space here. Huge, huge island. Look at this. Lots of cabinet space here. It's just almost majestic. Very pretty appliances. Gorgeous countertops here, quartz. And man, I just love this island. And there is a desk there. So you can have a little office there, a little office space. That's amazing. Look at all these windows that are here too. This is very stunning, very, very pretty. Really love this gorgeous, gorgeous, all the lights here. And there is a really nice balcony that's here too. Let's pop out, see if we can pop out and look at that real quick. Here it is. Okay, it's a wraparound. Oh my goodness. Complete wraparound balcony. Wow, really, really big. Whoa, sure love seeing this. Just quite amazing. So love this balcony, love the wraparound balcony that's here. Just simply gorgeous. Hey, this is just part one. We're gonna do part two. We're gonna go walk in the bedrooms in the next video. So just hang tight, that's gonna play right now. If you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below. We can set up a live virtual tour for you right away of this beautiful apartment or anything else that might fit your needs here at the Ansel. Send me a text right now. It's 100% free. We'll set up that virtual tour even as early as today.